Welcome or welcome back to What You Wish For. If you are new here, then welcome. This is your space of reinventing yourself into your best self and creating your own reality. You are the master, you are the creator, and you are the writer of your own life. In this video, firstly, I was going to make a video on some other topic, but then my cat just jumped into my lap and I realized that this cat was also a manifestation. So I decided to just make a video on her, on how I manifested my cat. But before we do that, What You Wish For offers one-on-one life transformational coaching and law of attraction solutions, and we also have a few of our courses up on our website, which are Love, Align and Manifest. If you want to check them out, if you want to book a session, book a slot, then check out the description box. All the links will be there. Now let's get into it. So first things first, a little backstory, which is I have always wanted a pet. I have loved animals and I wanted one, but I also knew I was not ready for it, be it my schedule, be it my lack of responsibility, whatever it was, I just was not ready for it. And I knew it, but I wanted it. Up until recently, I have always just known that it was too much responsibility and I could not handle it. But now, of like maybe a month ago, I have had this epiphany that I do have some time on my hands and I do have the space in my heart and in my life for a pet. And that was it. I was just talking to my mom and I said, I'm going to get a pet. I don't know who, I don't know which species, but I'll get one. And that's just it. That is me claiming what I want and I'm going to get it. It was that sort of a thing. Now, getting a pet was not a very big deal for me. Like, if I wanted one, I could just get one. So now you'll be asking, where is the manifestation in it? Just hold on. Just hold on a little longer with the story and you'll find out. So I decided and I just said it out loud that yes, I'm going to get a pet. And I did not really do anything for it. I did not go out and adopt any. I did not reach out to anyone to adopt a pet or anything, or that I'm looking to adopt a pet. I did not say anything to anyone. It was just me deciding that I want one. And then what I decided was I started cleaning up some space in my house and I found some bowls that I have not been using. And I decided that these will be the bowls for my pet, whoever I get, it will be the bowl for them. And then I made a little bit of, their bed and I actually created space for the pet in my house. And after everything, after I have cleaned my house and I have created space for them and the food bowls and all of that, I cleared up my schedule. I was obviously making my own schedule, and then I decided when I'll get a pet, I should not probably be that busy. I should not be that busy and always, be working or outside or something like that. So I decided to just lessen up my load and delegate more tasks, and so that I could just be present for my pet and I could take care of them and spend time with them. That is literally all I did. So I knew I'm going to get a pet. There was surety in it. Surety, I had no doubts I'm going to get a pet. As soon as I just get my hands on one, I'm going to keep it. Now, I still did not do anything. I had just created space for the pet. I had created, my schedule in such a way that I could spend more time at home and with the pet, and I had more free time and all of that. But I did not really go out and get one and adopt one. The things that I have done till now are: 1, I claimed what I want. Number 2, I know I'm going to get it because it was not that big of a deal for me. So yeah, I just knew it was going to be. And number 3, I was starting to act as if I had cleared up my schedule, I had cleared up the space, and I just knew that, this is what I want and I'm going to get it. That was literally it. And within a week or so, which would be more than maybe 2 to 3 weeks ago, somebody came to my doorstep saying that some cats, a little kitten, had actually just ran into their house and they can't keep it because they already have pets and they are not being very friendly with her. And that was it. I just knew this is my cat, this is my pet, this is who I have been wanting. I did not even know I was manifesting it as such because I was not really doing anything. It was just a decision that I had taken and I had cleared up my schedule and my space for them. I was acting as if, and I just assumed this is going to happen because I did not have much resistance to it, and I got the cat. Like, the cat came to my doorstep instead of me having to go out and do anything, or me having to go through any adoption measures and all of that. So all it could have been was that I wanted a cat. I went out and got it. That is also manifestation, by the way. But I did not have to do that because I just knew I'll get a cat. Not cat, a pet. I did not know which species I was getting. I just knew I wanted someone. I knew I can get it. So there was no resistance to it and I started acting as if. And if you have watched my videos on law of assumption, you would know what it is. And if you have not watched it, then the link will be in the description box down below. Please go and watch it so that you know what is law of assumption and how do you assume something. And once you assume something, it will come into reality. It was one of the many success stories that I have seen in my life. But I just wanted to share this with you so that you know that it does not have to be that difficult. It's very effortless and it is very natural. Once you have just decided what you want and you start acting as if, and you just create space for it in your life, that's it. It'll just come to you. You'll attract it. You don't have to chase it. So that was it for today's video. I hope this helped. If you liked our video, then please like it, thumbs up. And if you like our content in general, then subscribe to our channel. And if you want your loved ones to be on the same journey of manifesting a pet or manifesting your desired life, then share it with them. That was it. I really hope this helped and thank you for tuning in.